You want to fix your own car in such simple ways like changing your brake pads, but you are too afraid that you might break some spare parts instead of fixing it. Don't worry, I'm here to help you. This is an example of a worn brake pads. In this case, if you have brake pads like this, you need to change brake pads already, or it would lead to this scenario. But remember, brake pads generally last 30,000 to 70,000 miles, but this varies significantly with driving style. Let me show you easy steps on how to change your brake pads. First step is to remove the bolts holding the tires. Make sure that you are using the right socket, and using impact wrench will be much easier. Second step is to remove the tires. Using a 14mm combination wrench, remove the lower bolt of the caliper. Using the same wrench, remove the upper bolt of the caliper holding the upper part of the caliper. Next step, remove and place the caliper above the disc. After placing the caliper above the disc, you can now remove the brake pads. Next step, clean the disc with clean towel along with the brake pads. If you found out that your brake pads are not reliable anymore, you can now install the new brake pads. After installing the new brake pads, put the caliper back. Next step, put the upper bolt of the caliper back. Next step, put the lower bolt of the caliper back so that both upper and lower bolt will hold the caliper. Next step, tighten both lower and upper bolt of the caliper. After installing the caliper assembly, put the tire back. Next step, just like how you remove it, put the bolts of the tire back. Now, we're going to tighten the bolt of the tires. But first, we need to release the pressure from the lifter and let the tires step on the ground. Using a power handle, Tighten the bolt of the tire. So easy, right?